Hello everyone. This is Amy with Simply Elizabeth Crafts, and I wanted to show you my Christmas mega class for 2025. We are going to be using the homemade treats. This is a bundle that is quite fun to play with. I've had a great time creating cards and 3D projects with it. You will create in this class 5 cards. So it's a total of 5 cards. Then you've got 2 3D projects. This one holds a little shortbread cookie. This one holds a little hand sanitizer, and you will get those in your kit. For if you order this class, you'll get one of the cookies and you'll get one of the little hand sanitizers. That's like a little thank you. You will also create a little recipe book. You can also turn this recipe book into a mini album. So you could do what I did was I have some pictures of making some things with the girls around Christmas and that kind of stuff. And if you don't know my girls, when I say my girls, it's my nieces. They love to craft and cook and all that fun stuff. And so you can turn it into a recipe book, or you can do what I've done here, and that's do a recipe with some pictures as well. So it kind of becomes like a fun little mini album. What this class will actually contain, and you will get these recipe cards. So what this class will contain when you get it is the make and take packets for each one of these projects. This project here will have a video to go along with it. The other ones, it's just a full PDF. So you'll get those make and takes. Then you'll get a full pack of the Christmas tags and more 6x6 designer series paper. You'll get a full pack of that. You'll get a full pack of these real red, white, and white adhesive-backed peppermints. And then you'll get 2 full packs of ribbon. This is a garden green and this is a real red. I couldn't stick to just one. So the bundle, if you want to add on the bundle, it is $45 to do that. And that is what it looks like. And just as an FYI, if you got everything here, including that bundle, it's $110. The bundle will be just the $45. I will pay the tax and shipping on it. So you're really just paying for the class, and then you're just paying for the basic cost of the bundle. The other thing is, if you decide not to add the bundle on, that's completely fine. If you're a demonstrator already, or you've already purchased that bundle, all you have to do is buy the make and take. And then of course those products come along with it. And so option number 2 is without the bundle, and it is $65. That all does include shipping, so there's no additional charge for that. Or if you're a demonstrator and you just have everything that you need in order to create this and you just want to purchase the PDF, you can do that as well for $18. In the link to this video, there is the email that it's got all of those 3 options in it for you to actually purchase it. So it's got the link for you to do that. Stampin' Up! Allows us to do that now, so yay on that. So that link in there will lead you right to the registration page. If you have any questions though, please don't hesitate to let me know, and I'll be happy to get back with you so that we can walk through that. Again, option 1 with the bundle is $110. Option 2 without the bundle is $65. And then just the PDF is $18. Thanks so much, guys, and I can't wait to get crafty with you again.